Hey, what is up, YouTube? How's it going, y'all? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing. Well, a special review and unboxing for a certain G-Shock piece that came out this year, celebrating its 25th anniversary. And it's for this particular one. And it says something. What is it? What is it? What the heck is it? DW-6900 SP-1. Now, where have we even heard about this? Even though this was this year's, of course, and of course, if I said that, repeat. Sorry about that. But it's the celebration that came out in the spring or in the summer of 1995, if I'm not mistaken. So, this particular piece you're about to see, but here it says it right here, G-Shock, cool, lenticular letterings, whatever. DW-6900, 1995, 2020. Wow, 25 years. And as I said in my brief history for the G-Shock watch, which was for this one and for 1995, if I left out something like, say, the Spanish singer Selena, who was murdered that year, of course, and also as well as rapper and the leader group of the NWA, Wright, also known as Eazy, died in March 26, 1995. He would have been about 33 that year, but he died at 32. Well, he was only 30, sorry. He would have been 31 that year. Unfortunately, he died due to complications of AIDS-related pneumonia, of course. But if anybody has seen the movie Straight Outta Compton, get your hands on that movie. It's a good biography movie. And of course, he was a father of 11 children. Wow. But also, he was married to his girlfriend then and wife Tamika Wood. They met at a nightclub one night in 1991, and the two hit it off, began dating, and then the next thing you know, life of the NWA was about to be coming back, but by 95, unfortunately, he started feeling sick. And then it was a very sad moment. His children were born in September of 1995, 6 months after Eazy's passing. So yeah, and then that same year, of course, if I said the name Jimmy Ryce, yeah, if you guys heard what happened to that poor kid, as of April 25th, sorry. April the 25th would have been his birthday that year. Yeah, it was very sad to hear what happened to poor Jimmy Ryce. Yep, September 26th, actually. So yeah, sorry if I said the 25th, it was September 26th. So, as of yesterday, Jimmy Ryce would have been 35 years old, all grown up, having a life, doing something. But unfortunately, he died too soon. Of course, and yeah, who was murdered by Juan Carlos Chavez, and it tore the family apart. It really did. And the only ones alive are his father, Don Ryce, who was a retired FBI deputy director, and also his brother Ted is a fitness trainer. So yeah. So as of yesterday, Jimmy Ryce would have been 35 years old, all grown up, having a life, married with kids of his own. But he died too young, too soon. And of course, as I said, I was 4 at the time, and my mom wouldn't let me go to the bus stop by myself because, or I would suffer a similar fate. But thank God my mom took me to the bus stop, and she waited for me by the bus stop to take me back to the apartment. So yeah. So anyway, rest in peace to Jimmy Ryce and Eazy Wright. God rest your souls. So, let's get to this piece. And before that, let me show you all something about what's related to this watch. Of course. And it has been a good year for both watches and physical media. So here's one for the DW-6900SP-1. Here's the clear version with a crazy positive display, as well as the other one, DW-6900SP-7. This is the clear version, but I highly doubt G-Shock didn't approve the yellowing aging prevention. So with that comes out like this, gently, and it does have color of the 90s feel. And to be clear, I'm a 90s kid, a 90s baby, that is. And with that, let's play a little music, y'all, to give a good, proper music. Second. Alrighty. Gentle, my friend, gentle, don't abuse it. It is kind of difficult to get it out this way. Oh boy. In here you have the warranty card. Let me just take something out. But I know the module isn't, the menu of the module numbers in there, which I'm going to show it to you. It's a jelly black. Oh wow. And let's see. Module number is 3230. Oh yeah, 3230, ladies and gentlemen. And oh shit, it is a mirrorized version. Yep, definitely a mirror. The alarms. Okay. Alarm. My personal favorite for the watch, the timer. There we go. Let's see, timer and stopwatch. Back to your home screen. And speaking of which, we're not in October yet. Oh boy, I think I went further. Oh, it's a second. Correcting the date. And the piece de resistance. Whoa, look at that, boys and girls. Pause that carefully. Woo-wee. Man, crazy color waves. And the bars saying 25. 25, man. Happy 25th anniversary of the 6900, folks. Happy 25th anniversary to the 6900. It is mirrorized to the 6900 to it. And of course, the band, ooh, it's jelly. You can tell the strap number, you can see it perfectly. Pause it. There's the module number, and wow, it's magnificent. So yeah, and with that, let me do a little showing side. Heck, do a little showing on the side. Of course, let me just adjust something here. Say hi to the brother and its younger brother, or should I say the son. See that, folks? Do it again. Pause it carefully if you'd like to see a comparison. So they're both kind of like, when you look at the shape and look, they have some similarities. Well, it is kind of bulky looking from a standpoint. A little one off, maybe. Right, leave your comments down below if you think so. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy, man. Can't stand that. So yeah. Buckles, everything. Yeah. So anyway, even though it was been okay year, not an alright year so far, but it's been a wicked year for watches and physical medias and stuff, among other things. Oh, one more thing. On the buckle, Casio China, but we know this is not a Chinese watch. This is a Japanese release watch. And also, it has been a great one. And for those who want to get their hands on Friday the 13th Vengeance, my suggestion is go online and get it. Go online and get it. Alright? Better go online and get it, folks. So also the things, of course, from the physical media collectors, toy collectors, watch collectors, and such. To all you young bloods and young bucks out there, and be safe, take care, God bless you. And this is Sparky Marky Mark hanging with the G-Shock. I'm signing off, y'all. God bless you.